And then of course, to make it even softer, you put the na on the end, right? Na, right here. Na, high tone. Na really makes it soft and makes it polite. So, use that. Don't use it sparingly, but use it less often than you might think you want to. You don't want to come off sounding manipulative, but that really does make your sentences nicer and pleasant, or more pleasant. So repeat after me then, if you would. ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมนะครับ Okay, and as a female, you're going to exchange the krap on the end with a ka or a ka. And if you're a guy, ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมครับ ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมนะครับ ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมนะครับ You can use either one, but you might want to try the high tone because it's a question. ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมนะครับ Or if you're a female, ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมนะคะ Okay, back to masculine Thai for me. One more. ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมนะครับ Okay. And as I've said before, and I say this because it's that important, it bears being repeated many times. This krap can be said with a little bitty r, and then okay, so that'd be a krap, and you can say it even without that r. So you can say kap like a baseball cap. I don't know where they are. Probably all out in the truck. Anyway, krap is fine with a pronounced R. Krap is fine. I've heard Thai people. I've heard a banker, an old banker, an elderly banker comes to mind, and he would say krap, krap. I can't even do it as hard as he would do it. Krap. There we go. Krap. Or you can go krap. Or I put just a slight touch of an R in it. I'll usually go krap, krap. Get one little r in there, not too many. Or you can say it completely without that R. Okay, I think you get the point. And there it is. ขอน้ำหน่อยได้ไหมนะครับ And you'll remember, if you're female, ka or ka.
The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, thetailanguage.com. thetailanguage.com.